freaking thing. Right there's broken already. He broke it. This person broke it. Now I'm stuck. Now I can't even unlock it.